KC Turbo's Edge Evolution in the back seat. We just got done updating it, and we are on the way to Pete's house to install his new tuner with custom tunes. So he has an old SCT tuner on his Excursion that we did big injectors and a big KC Turbo, regulated return, fast, the whole nine on. Super nice Excursion. Just recently got it converted over to coil springs and radius arms, so no more leaf springs in the front end. Pretty cool build that I've been a part of over the past decade. And he's retired, not looking for anything new, so he's just making his old Excursion what he wants it to be. He was running an SCT with custom tunes, and then he was running an Insight CTS3 for gauges. And he messaged me a couple months ago, asked if there was anything new out. Wasn't really happy with the tunes that he was running at the time, a little smoky. And so I told him about the KC Turbo's Edge Evolution CTS3. So it's kind of everything he's already got wrapped up into one, instead of having to have two different devices in the truck. So got him a KC Turbo's Edge Evolution in the back seat. We just got done updating it, and we are on the way to Pete's house to install his new tuner with custom tunes. So we'll see you at the install.